how you can check if your Samsung phone is original or refurbished. The first method is you open your phone dialer and type in asterisk hash 06 and hash. Now this brings up your IMEI number, and you can check it on your phone box, the box that it comes in, and if the IMEI number is same, you can confirm that your phone is original. Once you've done that, you can close it and go to your phone settings. Once you open your phone settings, go all the way down and go to about phone. Once you open this, you can check your model number as well from here, and you can check it on your box. If the model number is also the same, you can confirm that your phone is original. Now, the second method is you will have to open your Play Store and type in device info right here and search for this app. The first one that shows up here, you can download it and open this app. Once you've opened the app, you can see there are many information about your phone, and you can go on this device right here at the top to check, and here you can see the production date, activation date, the country, everything. So this app is very helpful, and that's how you can check if your Samsung phone is original or refurbished. Thank you for watching.